Hello guys! In the ninth episode of Blue's Clues and William, we need to tell you that we're a little bit close to the end of the episode of Blue's Clues and William. Bow, bow, bow. And it's also because summer is almost over. Bow, bow, bow. So Blue, wanna play Blue's Clues to figure out what will happen when summer's over? Bow, bow, bow. Okay, go hide the clues. Bow, bow, bow. Let's get our handy dandy notebook. Notebook, right. Hey, Side Table Drawer. Hi, I heard today's the last day of summer. Yeah, we need to think of a way for the last day of summer. So can we have our notebook, please? Yes. Thanks. You're welcome. Now, before we find our first clue, I'm going to show you a word that's the opposite of front. This is the word back. A clue, a clue! You found the first clue? Yes! Where? On the word back. It is on the word back. Back must be our first clue. We need to write it in our handy dandy notebook. Notebook. Right. We got the word back. Let's start with the letter B, then A, C, K. There, the word back. What could we do for the last day of summer with the word back? Maybe, but we need to look for two more clues to figure it out. Right after I show you a number that comes after 0 and 1. This is the number 2. A clue, a clue! Where's the second clue? On the number 2. It is on the number 2. Must be our second clue. Get it? Anyways. We need to write it in our handy dandy notebook. Notebook, right. So, we got the number 2. This is how it goes. We'll draw a curvy in a straight line like this. There, number 2. So our first clue is the word back. Now second clue is number 2. Back 2. What could it be with back and 2? We need to look for one more clue just to be sure, but after I show you a building about where we learn. This is school. A clue, a clue! Where's the third clue? On a school. It is on a school. School must be our third clue. We need to write it in our handy dandy notebook. Notebook, right. So, we got school. This is gonna be hard, but we'll do our best. Let's start with a little triangle and rectangle with a bell. And then a trapezoid for the roof, square for the wall, let's not forget the door, and the window. There, that looks like a school. Hey, we found all 3 clues. We're ready for our thinking chair. Thinking chair, right. Now that we're on our thinking chair, let's think. We're trying to figure out what's going to happen in the last day of summer. And our clues are back 2 and school. What could it be with back 2 and school? Back to school. Back to school. Maybe if we put them together, maybe you'll say back to school. Like, what kind of sentence is that? Do you know? Back to school. Started Blue. Back to school. Is that what we want to say? Bow, bow, bow. But you always bark sometimes. And I don't. But anyways, that's what happens every last day of summer. When fall comes, we just figured out Blue's Clues. Because we're really smart. So Blue, I used to be in a school from 1st to 12th grade. but I'm in a program now. Bow, bow, bow. We'll see you later in the 10th episode. Bow, bow, bow.